Welcome to our comprehensive guide on kitchen designs. Whether you're renovating, building from scratch, or simply looking for inspiration, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore the latest trends, practical tips, and creative ideas to transform your kitchen into the heart of your home. So, let's dive in. First, let's talk about kitchen layouts. The layout you choose can greatly impact the functionality and flow of your space. There are several popular options to consider: the galley kitchen, the L-shaped kitchen, the U-shaped kitchen, and the open concept kitchen. Each has its own advantages and style. Think about what works best for your needs. Now, let's explore cabinet and storage solutions. Efficient storage can make or break a kitchen. Consider pull-out pantry shelves, deep drawers, and corner cabinet solutions to maximize space. Don't forget about the latest trends in cabinet finishes and hardware for that perfect look. Moving on to countertops and materials, these choices can greatly influence your kitchen's aesthetics and durability. Options like granite, quartz, and butcher block offer different styles and maintenance requirements. Choose what suits your taste and lifestyle. Now, let's shed some light on lighting and color schemes. These elements can set the mood and ambience of your kitchen. Consider under-cabinet lighting for task areas, pendant lights for islands, and a harmonious color scheme to tie it all together. Next up, appliances and smart technology. Modern kitchens are all about convenience and efficiency. Explore the world of smart refrigerators, touchless faucets, and voice-controlled appliances. These innovations can make your kitchen truly cutting edge. Finally, don't forget to add your personal touch and decor to make your kitchen unique. Display your favorite cookbooks, add some indoor plants, and choose art or accessories that reflect your style. Creating the perfect kitchen design is an exciting journey, and we hope this video has given you plenty of inspiration and practical advice. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution, so take your time to plan and design a kitchen that truly suits your needs and tastes. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more home design tips. And as always, happy cooking!